Good morning, everyone. Today we have to start a new chapter, chapter number 14, and its name is Patterns and Symmetry. So let's start the chapter. First topic is pattern. So you already learned pattern. What is the pattern? So it is also a part of class 3rd. In this term, pattern, a pattern is a definite sequence of objects, shapes, letters, numbers or symbols which are repeated over and over again. मीन्स पैटर्न क्या होते हैं? एक डेफिनेट सीक्वेंस, एक सीक्वेंस को फॉलो करते हैं. वो सीक्वेंस किसी भी चीज़ का हो सकता है, ईदर ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट और शेप और लेटर्स और नंबर्स और symbols. So this pattern is repeated over and over again. First is, look at the growing means increasing and shrinking means decreasing pattern and shape. Growing means increasing means बढ़ता हुआ pattern and shrinking means सिकुड़ा हुआ. सिकुड़ा means decreasing pattern. सिकुड़ना means भी एक काइंड ऑफ छोटा होना, ठीक है, एंड डिक्रीजिंग भी क्या कि वो घट रहा है. सो दिस इज ईदर ऑफ growing pattern or shrinking pattern in shape. So first one is growing or increasing pattern. There is in the first 1 dot, then 3 dots, then 5 dots, then 4 and 3 7 dots. So this is a L shape which is in increasing pattern. पहले क्या था, यहाँ पे एक डॉट था, फिर 1 डॉट यहाँ इंक्रीज हुआ एंड 1 डॉट यहाँ इंक्रीज हुआ. मीन्स 1 डॉट वर्टिकली इंक्रीज हुआ एंड 1 डॉट horizontally increase हुआ. So that pattern is followed in next term. Then two dots are increasing in vertical order, or two dots are increasing in horizontal order. Okay, so that pattern is followed on, and this is known as growing or increasing pattern. The next pattern is shrinking or decreasing pattern. In this pattern, that square triangle shape is shrinking or decreased in a sequence. यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं कि क्या है, there are some dots in a shape of triangles, और ये क्या हो रहे हैं, shrink हो रहे हैं या decrease हो रहे हैं. ये pattern क्या हो रहा है, decrease हो रहा है. So this is a shrinking pattern. Next is, let us see the examples of increasing and decreasing patterns in numbers. यहाँ पे क्या है, इंक्रीजिंग एंड डिक्रीजिंग पैटर्न नंबर्स का है, ठीक है. सो सच एज इन इंक्रीजिंग पैटर्न 2, देन 6, देन 10, देन 14, देन 18. मीन्स क्या हो रहा है, 4 ऐड हो रहा है. 2 + 4 6, 6 + 4 10, 10 + 4 14 एंड 14 + 4 18. सो अब जो नेक्स्ट टर्म क्या होगा, व्हाट विल बी द नेक्स्ट टर्म. सो 18 + 4 इट इज़ 22. Then as same in a decreasing pattern, there is 30, then 25, then 20, then 15. It means there is a difference of 5 in each term. So the rule for decreasing pattern is subtracting 5 from the previous term. So what will be the next term? The next term is 10, because we again subtract 5 from 15. So the answer is 10. Now symmetry. Look at the figure below. The line drawn through the middle of the letter M divides it into two identical halves. Two identical halves means, identical means same. So this line of symmetry divides this A into two identical halves, means two same type of halves. So suppose there is a M, then we draw a line of symmetry. So these parts can overlap on each other, and these are identical or same in shape. So many figures have no line of symmetry. Such figures are called non-symmetric figure. The line this line is called the line of symmetry, and these type of shapes are called symmetric figure. And those figures which don't have the line of symmetry, so these figures are called non-symmetric figure. Next, फिगर्स में हैव वन और मोर लाइन्स ऑफ सिमेट्री। फिगर्स में एक से ज़्यादा भी लाइन्स ऑफ सिमेट्री हो सकती हैं, ठीक है। सो सपोज इन द फर्स्ट फिगर देर आर टू लाइन्स ऑफ सिमेट्री, because when we draw this line, these two are identical parts, and when we draw that horizontal line, these two parts are also identical. In the next one, there is only one line of symmetry. This is only vertical line of symmetry, because these two parts are identical. When we draw that kind of line of symmetry, these two parts are not identical, so there is a single line of symmetry. In the next term, there are 1, 2, 3 and 4 lines of symmetry, because this is a square. So when we draw that vertical line of symmetry, these two equally parts are divided. Then this line is also divided in two parts. This line is also divided into two identical parts, and this line is also divided into two identical parts. So that square have 4 lines of symmetry. Okay, I hope you understood this. Then next is, it's a work for you. First of all, color the shapes to extend the pattern. So in the first pattern, there are 2 green squares, then 2 yellow squares. This is mustard color. So then again 1 green color. So that square, that triangle is also of green color. Then this is also of green color. Then again 2 triangles are of mustard color, and again that triangle is of green color. So I hope you understood this pattern. Then in the second part, there is 1 red, 1 yellow, 1 red, 1 yellow, 1 red, means this is yellow, this is red, this is yellow, and this is red. Next question is, draw the next pattern in the growing or shrinking pattern. तो यहाँ पे क्या है, एक पैटर्न फॉलो हो रहा है, ठीक है। सपोज यहाँ पे क्या है, 2 स्क्वायर्स एंड 1 ट्राइंगल, देन 4 स्क्वायर्स and 2 triangle, then 6 squares and 3 triangles. So in the next pattern, there are 8 squares and 4 triangles. Okay, 8 squares and 4 triangles. Same in the next pattern, in the next part, there are first of all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 dots, then 8 dots, then 6 dots. So the next are 4 dots, because 2 dots are decreasing in next term. So there are 4 dots. In the next question, the question number 3rd, draw the line or lines of symmetry for the following figures. So in the first figure, there is only one line of symmetry, which is horizontal. That kind of line of symmetry we can make here. We can make this horizontal line of symmetry, because when we draw vertical line of symmetry, these two parts are not identical in shape. So there is only a single line of symmetry, which is horizontal line of symmetry. In the next pattern, there is a slanting line of symmetry, because this line of symmetry divides it into 2 identical shapes. In the next pattern, in the next part, there are 2 line of symmetry. First is horizontal and next is vertical. Okay, and in last 2 terms, in that L and this term, there is no line of symmetry, because no such a line we can draw which divide it into two identical shape. So there have no line of symmetry. So I hope you understood the topic pattern. So please complete your work, this your turn part, and fill this triangles and these circles with colors. Make these squares and triangles with colors. So and draw these patterns. So I hope you understood this. So that's all for today. Okay, thank you class.